welcome back to my channel. If you clicked on this video, I'm sure you know what it's about, so let's just jump on into it. Yes, I am starting my lock journey. I've been thinking about doing locks for, it's literally been 10 years, and I've been going back and forth, like, am I gonna really do it? So I actually decided to do it. I did my hair. Yes, I did my own locks. I did my hair yesterday, which was Monday, August 6th, 2018. I'll turn around and show you my parts and everything, tell you about the parting system. Okay, so if you guys are new to my channel, then here's pretty much some pictures and stuff of how my hair is. I want to say I have 3B, 3C naturally curly hair. I still don't know. I was always confused with that system, so I'm not sure. Maybe you guys could tell me down below. A lot of people, you know, always have their opinions. Like, don't do it. Your hair is so beautiful. This, that, and the third. Like, my hair's still going to be beautiful if I lock it up. Like, you know, whatever. So, I just, I'm like, you know what? You done did everything to your hair. You done cut it. You done colored it. You done did everything imaginable. So, there's nothing else left to do. And you've been wanting this for 10 plus years. Literally, it's been 10 plus years. Me talking about locking my hair. And so I just finally freaking did it. Just sat down, you know, did it myself. I did watch a whole bunch of videos and I did research before. I am no stranger to locks, so I will say that. Like, this is just me, just, oh, let me just decide to do my own locks. No, it's nothing like that, okay? Nothing like that at all. I used to do my girlfriend's locks, my ex-girlfriend locks, all the time. And I have a friend who I've known for 3 years now, and ever since I've known her, I've done her hair. She will not like allow anybody else to do her hair. She probably did it like when she couldn't get to me, probably like 3 times. Other than that, she does not want anybody else touching her hair, and her hair is beautiful. She always get compliments on her hair. So like I said, I'm no stranger to locks. Now, I am a stranger to starting locks. That's why I did my research and looked at a whole bunch of videos and, you know, but myself, I've always done my hair. Like, well, since the age of 12, I've done my hair. I went to the shop. The last time I went to the shop was my senior prom, which was in 2008. Yes, I do not like going to the shop. Number one, I don't like sitting. Number two, I don't like paying someone to do something that I can do for myself. You know, that's just me, how I am, period, across the board. Hair, makeup, clothes, whatever. Like, if I can do it, if I can teach myself to do it, then that's what I'm going to do. So I decided to do it myself because it's like, I know exactly how I want my hair to look. So why not? So the parting that I use there are called C parting, which basically you just grab the comb and just go like this and just pull off hair. I did not want square parting, grid parting, diamond parting, any of that. I don't like the look of that. Not saying it doesn't look good on other people. I just know exactly how I wanted my locks to look, and I didn't want the box parting. Like, I didn't. I wanted medium to large locks. I did not count, but I will count, and I'll probably place the number on the screen. Here are pictures and videos of how long my hair was prior to doing the locks, and you can see where it's at now. Clearly, they are not at the same level. My hair has, even when I even it out, and it just always tends to just be uneven. Whatever, it doesn't bother me. I don't care. It's not uneven by much, but I am aware that as it starts to bud and stuff, my hair is going to shrink some more. Now, I'm not ready for that, but also, if you guys know, I did have an undercut. My hair is growing in, like the pictures and videos and all that I showed you. My hair is growing in. So, yes, I did twist back there. Now, I'm going to turn around and try to show you, okay? So, I have 4 small locks back here. And there was another, I had like this much of my undercut. So some of the hair is up in these locks up here. Basically, this video is just pretty much for myself so I can see my journey, but also to take you guys along with it, especially since, you know, my hair type, and then also me trying to lock my undercut and see the process of how that's all gonna go. So I thought that would be like cool for everyone to see. There's a lot of people doubting me, and I understand why, because I like to change my hair so much. A lot of people's like, oh, I give it 2 weeks. Let's see how long this lasts. Like, no, I'm serious. Like, I'm serious this time. Like, first of all, I've always said that I wanted locks, but I never actually sat down and did the process. So this tells you that I'm serious, and the amount of research that I've done. I've said research so many times in this dang on video. I'm sorry, y'all. But the amount of information that I have obtained, like, I'm so serious and I'm so ready, and I just can't wait to share my journey with you, to see all the changes that my hair are gonna go through. Like, I'm scared, I'm nervous, but I'm excited, and I just can't wait. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll probably return. I don't think I'll do a week update. I'm going to be honest. And these videos are going to be previously recorded. So yes, they're going to be previously recorded, but I'm not going to do a week update. I'll probably do a month update, but I'll have the week, 2 week, 3 week updates in that 1 month update video, so you can see the progress. Like, I'm gonna take pictures, I'm gonna take videos, so you guys can see that. So please stay tuned for that, yes, or that goodness, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.